Well, hello everyone. Today it's a different type of setting. It's a little compost that I started over the winter, and my boy and I are both getting the process to start all over again. But I noticed what I'm not going to do from now on is to put sticks in this, because I don't like putting sticks in this thing, because sticks take forever to break down. And then if you want to go through the compost, you have to actually take sticks out, and that's extra work. So I'll throw the sticks in my campfire, and we got some of this rich black gold right now. This is what you're looking for. Right here is what you're looking for. This black gold right here. So what I'm gonna do, once I start over, throw some leaves on the bottom, and then go with this right over here. Put all the stuff in there. Fruit scraps, paper products, and start the process all over again. You guys have a great day. Bye.